The uptake of Covid-19 vaccines in Ireland has been among the highest in Europe. But despite that, the country has one of the highest incidence of the virus.
Part of it is proximity to the UK, where the cases have consistently been very, very high. And obviously we have an awful lot of movement between the Republic and the UK. And part of it, I'm advised, Fergal, it's to do with the starting point, in that we got hit with the Delta variant earlier than most of mainland Europe.
With the COVID growth rate accelerating in recent days, the Deputy Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Ronan Glynn, this evening said all the key virus indicators are pointing towards a deteriorating disease trajectory nationwide. Just under 300,000 people have not yet come forward for vaccination, while a further 70,000 have received just one dose.
At the minute, when you look at the people in hospital, about 50% overall aren't vaccinated. Within our ICU, that's higher, so there's about 75% of people who aren't vaccinated.
If everyone was fully vaccinated in Ireland, we'd probably have about 25 in ICU today and maybe 200 in hospital, and there wouldn't be any question about easing restrictions on the 22nd. So it is a personal choice, but it does have an impact on other people.
The fresh COVID concerns come ahead of the planned easing of most remaining restrictions on October 22nd, including lifting limits on indoor activities. Amid the uncertainty, the opposition is calling for clarity.
It was the government that set the 22nd of October as a deadline, as a moment where things would go back to normal. So there's a big obligation on them now to act speedily and to bring clarity.
A leading member of the National Public Health Emergency Team believes a measured reaction would be effective.
What I think we need here is an adjustment of those behaviours, not some kind of emergency response. What we're seeing now is very different to what we might have seen last October or last January, because 90% of the population is vaccinated.
NPHET is to meet on Monday to assess the latest data and give advice to the government, with a decision on the next phase of reopening expected to be made on Tuesday. Fergal O'Brien, RTE News.